Does the man you love ever do something that doesn't make sense to you? Does he clam up and not talk? Does he seem more irritable than usual? There's a lot going on in a man's life, and I really want to encourage you to be confident that more than likely you're not the problem. Then, in your confidence, allow yourself to be curious instead. That doesn't mean asking a lot of questions because that can be very annoying to most men. You don't want to become a problem. You want to become a part of the solution. If he's behaving differently than usual, back up and study him. Watch the playlist, A Wise Woman's Guide to Men in Marriage. Review the stages of male development, a man's purposes, and everything you need to know about his emotional life. You can do what I did and use your curiosity to decode what framework he's working from at the moment. All that information will help you decode him before you start to ask questions. You'll have a much better shot at getting into his world by doing that than you will by just asking him questions. Because men tend to process things internally. And that means he'll try to keep any really strong emotions beneath the surface. And they may pop out in irritability or even by his silence. Most of those things really don't have anything to do with you. So don't make it about you. That will be a problem. Now, you can decode him. You can learn how to decode him when you use the proper framework, and he'll start to make sense to you from a scientific perspective. And that'll put you into a more influential space, allowing you to grow together. Just remember, decoding a man is both a science and an art. As his wife, you're in the best position for the job. In a good way, of course. If you want to move beyond the playlist, check out my free classes or enroll in the Psychology of Men, a full course that teaches you the 3 frameworks for decoding a man. I'll put all the links in the description below, and if you have any questions, be sure to let me know, because remember, I'm here to help.